What is happening, everyone? We got another hard reset. Today we are doing the Cricket Ovation 2. If you have one of these and it has a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. If you guys haven't yet, subscribe. We have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up. And just a reminder before we do this, when you do a hard reset, you do delete all the data off the phone. So if you have any pictures or anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. So just keep that in mind. But let's get into this. I want to make sure the phone's off, and it is. And you have your volume up, volume down, and power. And we want to hold volume up and power at the same time. Once the phone turns on, you can let go of power. Well, I should say you can let go of both buttons because it loads you right into your bootloader. And it says volume up to select, volume down is okay. So it's already on recovery, so we just hit volume down. And sometimes it takes a second to load, but should get us right to our reset screen. Oh, as soon as we get past no command. So when you see this no command screen, what you have to do is actually hold power and tap volume up and then let go of both buttons relatively quickly. And it will get you to the reset menu. And from here, we want to use the volume buttons to scroll, the power button to select, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button, confirm, hit the power button. Now it's deleting. And now it's done, and now we can either reboot or power off, and in this case I'm just going to power it off. And if you hit reboot, it'll just load to the welcome screen and you can set the phone up like it was when it was new. But that is how we do a hard reset on a Cricket Ovation 2. Hopefully that was helpful, guys. If you guys have any comments or questions, feel free to drop a comment. I'm going to try to get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.